Success through customer satisfaction is the mission statement of Philips Sound and Vision. Success by offering the customer the very best, high audio-visual pleasure, best quality, immediate availability, and optimum price. World-class performance, that is our aim. That's why we work close together, share knowledge and experience, use the available possibilities, and are open to new ideas and changes. This is quite a job. Sometimes it's even tiresome. Unfortunately, we cannot afford to doze off. Sorry, I didn't mean to frighten you. I would like to tell you something about Lightning Stroke, one of the key projects of Philips Sound and Vision. It is about a new way of working. In fact, it's a plan of attack for achieving a competitive edge in one go. Lightning Stroke. It has to be a smash hit. Wait! I need you. Without you, I'm nothing. Your heart is in the business, I hope. Show me. Very good. Watch. Look! There's a heart too. A bit smaller, a bit different of course, but made from the same building blocks as yours. The hearts of all human beings and animals are based on the same concept. In fact, this is the principle. Once you understand the concept of a healthy heart, you can design and build new hearts in the same way. Well, this principle doesn't only apply to our heart, but also to the heart of all Sound and Vision products, the electronics. You see, nothing wrong with these hearts. They work fine. But think about this. If the process to design and build your heart and the cat's is identical, why can't we produce all these similar electronic hearts with just one single process? This is the essence of the Lightning Stroke project. Get up! It's time to work! Okay, while you're having your breakfast, I'll explain another principle of Lightning Stroke. Before you can design and build the electronic heart of a product, you have to find the best building materials and building equipment available, so you can pick the right building blocks wherever you need them. It's just like your breakfast. You're going to work, so you need to be fed, and so does your family. To do so, you have to work together and make a shopping list. You make a choice from several products, and of course you pay special attention to quality and price. On top of that, you have to be sure that the product is available. Together, you choose the best product, and one of you is going to buy it at the best store. That's just plain logic. But imagine everyone in your family is going to buy their own products all at different stores. That would be a real nightmare. And yet, these situations occur even with Philips Sound and Vision. Wait! I'm not ready yet. Let me finish my story. Any car, whatever color or make, has an engine. Don't fall in love with these cars, because we're going to talk about the engine. In the car industry, standardization is a widespread phenomenon. Have you got a minute? Let's drive to Italy. In this state-of-the-art factory near Naples, engines are manufactured for Fiat, Lancia, and Alfa. Different engines, but like all engines, based on the same concept. Like Philips, this company has to deal with the ever-changing requirements of customers. That's why they have introduced a highly flexible system, whereby a limited number of carefully selected parts can be incorporated into different engines by using a radically standardized process. They don't say it out loud, but in this factory, the customer is actually in control. Because of the standardization, automation, and intensive process control of the production line, the machines can be changed in only 10 minutes to produce whatever type of engine the customer wants. So when a certain Alfa model is suddenly in great demand, they can easily adjust production, and in no time the engines can be delivered to meet that demand. To realize all this, you are very dependent on your suppliers. In this factory, there is a partnership relationship with a small select group of suppliers. These suppliers not only deliver the required parts, they're also involved in the development of the product. This partnership offers security both to the factory and to the supplier. And it's the customer who benefits. This cooperation and standardized process result in cost savings, very high quality control, and reliable delivery. When you want to make a profit, you simply have to be faster and better than the competition. And hey, if you cannot deliver what the customer wants right away, he'll simply go somewhere else. Just in time. In fact, it's all quite logical. Any self-respecting company, and any company that aims at world-class performance, works with this kind of project. Yes, Philips Sound and Vision. Now, with Lightning Stroke. A bit late, I must admit. That's why we should get onto it right away. Look, here, the heart of all Philips products is manufactured, the electronics. They always consist of various electronic components, assembled on a printed circuit board. Of course, there are some small differences, like the differences between our heart and that of a cat, but the similarities dominate. Whatever the product, the process of building the electronic heart is the same. And that's what Lightning Stroke is all about, a common manufacturing process. By using common rules of design, a common set of components, and a common set of equipment. And this is what we want to realize in each factory all around the world. Here, people in development, engineering, and purchasing are working closely together. They use common rules of design that, as of now, apply to all new Sound and Vision products. Here we invent the best ways to manufacture the electronic heart of our products. That means the fewer components, the better. And of course, a standardized process. The designers have chosen the material they need from a list of components from preferred partners and suppliers. Quite different from the past when they, for example, had to find their way through 45,000 components from several suppliers. No, now they pick their materials from a common list of 8,000 pre-selected components from a very limited number of preferred suppliers. In this way, the design has become an ideal shopping list for the purchasers. They know exactly where to go and what to find. It saves time and manpower. In fact, it gives us the opportunity to save in many areas. Even more important, now we can develop real partnerships with our suppliers. So together we can make top quality parts and set up adequate logistics to keep the costs down. And it's here that the heart starts to beat. Here the components are assembled on printed circuit boards. Just like at the Italian engine factory, efficiency and flexibility play a major role. Here too, we work closely with a small number of preferred suppliers. Together, we develop an adequate, standardized process to assemble the printed circuit boards for all sound and vision products. In the past, we used 24 different technologies to do so. Nowadays, only 4. Of course, that also means that the input of data is drastically reduced. This standardized process not only saves time and money, but it enables us to react promptly when the customer suddenly wants another product. Or when something goes wrong. Well, this is what the Lightning Stroke project boils down to. I hope you understand that we simply cannot avoid it, and that goes for all of us. For all Philips Sound and Vision factories, all around the world. It is essential for any company that champions the world-class performance slogan. Oh, yes. What does that mean for you personally? Will you still be needed? Of course you're needed. I've told you that right from the start. You are part of the team and part of the process. Without you, we are nowhere. The question is, what exactly is your contribution? Well, Lightning Stroke means a highly efficient and productive standardized production line, and your task is to keep it running. All the precise settings and process parameters have been defined to ensure perfect quality in each step of the process. But it's your job to ensure that everything is under control all the time. Your task will therefore be supported by various tools such as this CDI, instruction booklets, and databases. Only this way can we really deliver the very best quality to our customers.